Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this quick video I'm going to share with you how you can fix the issue when your JBL BoomBox 2 is not charging, and how you can, one of the ways how you can solve it. So the first thing is try different outlet, like where you're putting it, where you're charging. This is the first thing. The second thing, try to clear if there is any dirt in the connector. This is the second thing. And the third thing, what you can try to do is, first, what you want to do is you want to turn it on if it's possible, and then you want to hold the plus and the play button at the same time to perform a factory reset. So you're going to turn it on, and then you're going to press and hold the plus and the play button at the same time for like 10 to 15 seconds, and this is how you're going to reset it. Pretty easy, pretty simple, it's not really difficult. So try to perform it. Let me down below in the comments if it actually helped you. And yeah, thank you very much and have a great day, and goodbye.